Welcome to AZ Solutions, where we will teach you how to perform a filter. First of all, if you click on the first cell of the beginning of your block, as long as you have no blank rows, no blank columns, this is always best. You can use Control, Shift and press the Enter key on the keyboard. This will select the entire block of data. From the Data tab, you can then press Filter. This will give you a little drop down arrow at the top of each of your headings. When you press the drop down arrow, for example under Bank, it will show you one occurrence of each of the items that you have. Tick Select All. This will get rid of all of your selection and then select the item that you would like. Pressing OK, and it will show you all of the records for that entry and hide all of the others, and that's why you see it in blue on the side here. You'll see a little funnel, and this tells you that you can that you have performed a filter. To remove the filter, click on the little funnel icon and choose Clear Filter. For the dates, it will group your dates for you automatically by weeks, months, years, quarters. You could select today and there would be nothing in the list. Clear the filter. If I press Control semicolon, this will give me today's date. It's a lovely quick way of doing that. Now when I choose to hit the drop down arrow, it has automatically grouped the year, the month and the date for me. From date filters, I can choose today without even knowing what date I'm on, without having to type in a date with a slash or a dash. Simply select the wording today and it will now find all of the entries for today. Hope that's been helpful for you. Thank you for joining.